Have you ever wondered how your extroverted coworker can spend so much time around people without getting tired? They're always showing up to happy hours, networking events, and conferences. They can strike up a conversation with just about anyone, and it doesn't seem like they have trouble finding prospects. As an introvert, you don't always enjoy talking to people, at least not for prolonged periods. You like to relax by yourself, and it doesn't bother you too much when you can't attend an event. You might even relish the chance to be alone. That's because introverts direct their energy inward. Spending time alone, reflecting on their thoughts, and processing their feelings refreshes introverts. On the other hand, extroverts direct their energy outward. Contact with others charges them up and gets them ready to go. Sales might feel like the perfect fit for those who enjoy stimulating environments, but qualities more associated with introversion can also help you thrive and succeed in the long run. Let's look at some of those hidden advantages. Here are 5 introvert qualities that are great for sales. Of course, some extroverts might also possess these traits, but they may come more naturally to introverts. Introverts tend to be good listeners, and listening is a critical skill in sales because understanding what a customer needs can help you find the best solution for them. Because they're not focused on making small talk, introverts don't waste time. They get the work done and may even close deals faster. Of course, this doesn't mean that extroverts waste time. Making small talk has its own value, but introverts can redirect their energy into other tasks, such as following up on leads, organizing the pipeline, or thinking of ways to make their process more efficient. Another introvert quality advantageous in sales is that introverts like to prepare. Introverted salespeople are good at researching and planning, which gives them an edge in important meetings. Next, introverts excel at critical thinking. They tend to spend a lot of time analyzing processes to see what they can do better. Finally, introverts communicate well in writing. Writing gives them more time to think about what they want to say. So, it turns out that introverts have top-notch qualities to bring to sales. But how can you keep thriving through all the people-facing activities that come with being a salesperson? Let's look at some tips on how to succeed in sales as an introvert. First, play to your strengths. Remember, a lot of sales activities can be performed alone, like reaching out and following up with email, researching prospects, preparing sales presentations, and analyzing processes. Second, don't try to be an extrovert. Don't like interacting in big groups? Focus instead on building one-on-one rapport with customers. Your job is to help customers find what they need, not talk their ear off. Third, ask open-ended questions. Find out what customers are thinking by letting them do the talking. For example, you might ask, what are some concerns you have about the product? Can you tell me a little bit about your experience with the service? Next, avoid overthinking. One trap introverted salespeople can fall into is to overthink and block progress. To prevent this, stop and ask yourself, am I too anxious? Is this stopping me from doing work? Finally, take the time to recharge. Introverts gain energy from spending time alone, so it's important to schedule some solitary pursuits after a day of meetings and calls. There's no innate quality you need to succeed in sales. Both introverts and extroverts possess unique strengths. If you're an introvert, you can focus on the skills that come easily to you to improve your processes and relationships. At the same time, acknowledge areas you can work on and don't beat yourself up for not having qualities that come naturally to extroverts. There's no one right way to be a salesperson.